welcome back to Peckish, and today we're going to be making raspberries and jammy Georgia cupcakes. So let's get into it. And the ingredients you need: butter, raspberries, flour, sugar, almond extract, 2 eggs, cupcake things, and jammy Georges. Now we're going to be putting the cupcake cases into this tray. But yeah, so let's get them. You can do any colour you want, and this one, pink, will be make it look more cool and fun and cute and all that stuff. But yeah, so I'm just going to put them all in, one at a time, and just like that. Okay, we've put all the cupcake cases into the cupcake tray, but now we're going to be putting the secret surprise, which is the jammy Georges. That's why it's called jammy Georges and raspberry thing. So we're going to add the secret this, like that. Oh, these look so yummy, 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 scrumptious. Now we're going to be making the sponge. So the first thing we're going to add is the butter and the sugar. But first we will be adding the butter, just like that, and the sugar. Then you're going to be giving it a good mix, just like. You're just going to be giving it a very mix, like that. Kind of noisy, so kind of got your ears. Okay, stop the mixer when it looks like fluffy like this. And the person who inspired us to make this is Nadia, so big thumbs up for Nadia. We're going to be adding the almond extract, so let's do it. So you only need me adding one of the little things that come on top, the caps, like that. That's enough. But you need to add 2 eggs. After we crack 2 of the eggs in, now we're going to be adding the flour, and we're going to be adding only 2 spoons of this, so it doesn't stop it curdling. But yeah, 1 and 2, but now you have to give it a good mix, like that. It should look like this, fluffy like a little teddy bear. But yeah, now we're going to be putting the butter in the cupcake. Now we're going to be adding the cake batter, because you're like wondering why is it called the raspberry and jammy Georgia cupcakes, because we're going to be adding a raspberry on like that. But yeah, so let's add some of this batter, fluffy butter, on to the thing, and you have to keep on rotating it until you finished all of them, like that. Oh, it looks so good! Yeah, let's do another. Oh, they look so cute. These cupcakes would be good for a fairy party. Yay, we done it. That's the raspberries. We're all ready to put these cakes in the oven, and I was so excited when they come out. And I just noticed that Their little raspberries kind of look like fairies with the little hairs on them. Now we're going to put the cakes in the oven, and don't forget to ask the dog to help you. My mum's in the kitchen so she can look when she's filming, so thank you for my mum to film. Yeah. Be careful.
Very careful.
It's very hot. Pippity bobbity boo in. Like that. Now we put the cake out there and then now it's time to try this amazing cake. Let's go at the bottom, amazing. That is what I call amazing.
I'm sorry, what did you say?
That is what I call amazing. Raspberry, most cake, and yeah, it's just amazing. It makes me so happy. And make sure to subscribe to this video and push that little bell button and have a little like. See you on the next video. Bye.